In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the band on your Whoop. Now, it's pretty easy to do if you follow the tutorial, but it can be a little bit complicated and fiddly to put the different parts on. So make sure you watch the video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure you get it all correct. So the first thing we're going to want to do with our Whoop is we actually need to take the actual Whoop device out itself. And to do that, we need to pull up on this little thing here. So where it has the little Whoop logo here, basically you want to go ahead and just basically pull up on that. Once you pulled up on that, it should undo like this. And from there, you can see that there's this little, I don't know, bracket. And you can basically just open this out each side and it should come off. You can see there's the little bracket things here and it should come off the Whoop like this. Then on this side of the Whoop, you just want to slide off the band like this. And you'll be left with your band here and the Whoop. Now you can put the Whoop into a lot of other accessories like armbands, you can put it into underwear, but I'm going to show you how to put it back onto a new band. Now, for this video, I'm going to be using the exact same band, but it should be the same even if you're changing the band up. So the first thing that I would recommend doing is going ahead and finding the hook end that looks like this, and make sure it's facing so the rubber bit is on the inside. Then we want to get the Whoop, and you can see there's like these little lines on the side of it. You can see there's like lines. You don't want to go on the front side, you want to go on the side where the lines are not there. So make sure you hook it on like this way, and you can slide it on like this. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to connect this side over onto the little dots here like we undid it. And to do that, you just want to clip it in. You might have to open it up a little bit and it should click on. Let me do that. Nice. I'd also recommend just squeezing it in to make sure it stays on tight. And the last thing you want to do is you want to flip over this, click it in so it locks in like that, and then you're good. And that's the band basically changed. Then you can put it on your arm and just make sure that it's all connected up properly and it's not going to come off. So you can see there, it fits perfectly and it's good to go. So that's basically how you do it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching.